Hey folks, Kellen here, doing some C++ programming. I am reading out of the book Programming Principles and Practice Using C++ by Bjarne Stroustrup. So I'm on chapter 2, and it's trying to teach us about widening and narrowing conversions. So there's an example program. Include SD. Include IO string, and then main double D equals 0. While cn int I is D cout. I'm just typing code out of the book right now. Save this as cv.c++. Okay, we'll see if it compiles. Maybe I made some mistakes, I'm not sure. CN was not declared in the scope. Yes. I need to say using standard. Using namespace standard. It's been a little while since I programmed in C++, so. Okay, so I compiled CV, let's run it. Whoop, did I forget the new lines? D equals 8, I equals 8, and C equals char. Okay, let's try 9.75. So as we can see, 9.75 as a double is just 9.75, but as an integer it's 9. As a character it's a blank, and yeah, so that's how it works out on my machine. So let's go to the exercises here. If you haven't already done so, do the try this exercises from this chapter. So that was one of the try this. Run this program with a variety of inputs, small values, e.g. 2 and 3. Alright, let's try 2. 3. Looks like we're getting some heart characters. Large values. Let's do 127, larger than 127, larger than 1,000. Okay, 128. And that seems to work as expected. Let's do 1001. So it's 1001 is this weird character, so that's pretty cool. Negative values, let's try -3. We get a subscript squared, that's cool. 56. Okay, we get 56. 89. We get 89. 128. 128. Non-integer values, e.g. 56.9. So 56.9 stored as a double is just 56.9, but when you stuff it into an integer, it becomes 56. It rounds down. Or it truncates, it just deletes off the decimal part of the number. 56.2. Okay. Yeah. So that was one of the try this exercises. Let's see, where's my pen? I gotta keep track of this stuff somehow. Let's see. Where is my pen? Okay, I have a pencil, so that's good enough. I really would like to find my pen, though. Let's see here. Where could it be? Found my pen. Yeah. Alright. So we did the try this exercise, but it wants us to do the try this exercises from the chapter. So there's multiple try this exercises. So let's go back and make sure. Let's see, I already did this. I did this try this exercise, so I did that. Okay, I did that. I did that. Okay, so I did the try this exercises. Alright, next challenge is write a program in C++ that converts from miles to kilometers. Your program should have a reasonable prompt for the user to enter a number of miles. Hint, a mile is 1.609 kilometers. Okay, so I think we can do this. Standard IO stream using namespace standard and main. Okay, cout. We want to tell the user, please enter a number of miles. It was stored in a double miles and cn miles. We want to write the user input to miles. Then we'll take miles cout. Miles we have the conversion here. It's every mile is 1.609 kilometers. So if we just multiply the miles by 1.609, that should give us the number of kilometers. Okay, and I'll call this program, let's see, my mk.c++, miles to kilometers.c++. I'll exit this program. We'll g++ -o mk.c++, mk.exe, mk.c++. Oh, okay. So I forgot the operator, the put to operator. Alright, let's try to recompile. Okay, runs. Please enter a number of miles. So it said a mile is 1.609 kilometers, so let's enter 1. 1 miles is 1.609 kilometers, so that's good. So what if we walked 70 miles? 70 miles is 112.63 kilometers. Okay, good. Okay, so that's exercise number 2 down. Exercise number 3, write a program that doesn't do anything but declares a number of variables with legal and illegal names, such as int double equals 0, so you can see how the compiler reacts. Okay, so this is like a little, this is like trying to get familiar with the compiler and its error messages. So I'll stream. Actually, I don't even think we need that. Int main. So an example they gave here is like int double equals 0. I'll just call this error.c++. Let's clear the terminal. G++ error.c++ -o error.exe. It says unexpected. It says expected unqualified ID before the assignment token. Okay, so this program doesn't even compile. Let's try another. Let's try another illegal variable name like 7tree equals 6. Let's try that. Unable to find numeric literal operator 7tree. So that's a compile error. Let's do another one. Let's see, $path equals. Let's try int 7tree and string path. Let's do $include. Whoop. $include string. Let's do string path equals blah. Let's see what kind of compile errors we get. String was not declared in the scope, so using namespace standard. We'll see what kind of errors I get now. Looks like $path is like a valid variable name. Let's recompile. Really? $path is a valid variable name. Wow, I thought it wasn't, because it has a $sign at the beginning, but apparently it is. So I saw how the compiler reacted to those illegal names. Exercise 4. Write a program that prompts the user to enter 2 integer values. Okay. My mom is calling me. Hold up.